Hi there.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
320 Canal.
Thanks. Okay.
Oh, we're up to 44, yes.
Yep,
Okay.
send you up to one of the penthouses.
Sweet. Thank you.
We'll take the elevator H3
Okay.
and enjoy the view.
Okay, thank you.
Look at that. That's cool. H3.
I went to the Starbucks.
Hi there. Come on in. Yeah. How's your day going?
Good.
Good.
Better now that I got a puppy.
There you go. Yeah, I got a little one. Check out the views, huh, Jay?
Oh, yes.
Beautiful view too.
Yeah?
Yes.
Cool. Never been in here. All right, hi.
Wow.
Cool.
Whichever
Hi.
way you want to go.
Okay.
Lots of very cool places.
Did you see everything? Who did it?
Whoa,
This
this,
reminds me of that one from last year.
yeah. Look at this.
You're gonna be able to see solar filter.
Well, wonder what that place is. 311 South Wacker. Villas, Sears Tower. Pretty massive from there.
First of all, I didn't know we in it.
And over there, you see the other two tall buildings. That's Trump over there in the last buildings. John Hancock, which is now whatever that building name is called. Look at that. Hello, mysterious building. They like to call you the building where people got arrested. And it's jail. Very cool. Very, very cool. We're on the 44th floor at the BMO Tower.
Yeah.
You can see a bunch of skyscrapers here. Welcome to skyscraper land, aka Chicago. Although New York City is the true official city of skyscrapers. Congress Parkway. Now either be well drive. There is Wacker. Building with the map. Pretty cool. Chicago River. Very, very cool. Look at that. Very cool.
Yes, his lunchtime.
Oh yeah.
Some lunch. Let's see, I think that, there's like number 5 will take you down to the floor. Up and down.
It went left.
There we go, we have it. There you go, this one too.
Oh, I'll take the next one.
Would you like your supper?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, let's let them go, and we'll summon you your own.
Okay, great.
Did you get some good video?
Oh,
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll be
H1.
Thank you.
You bet. Have a great afternoon.
Yep, you too.
Here we go. See, elevator H1. Very cool. These are like the really modern turnstiles.
Oh, yes.
Very, very cool.
Wide open today.
Yeah. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.